Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to display inventory quantity directly on your Shopify product pages using the Dawn theme. If you've ever wanted your customers to see exactly how many items are left in stock, making your store more transparent and creating a bit of urgency, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll know how to add a visible inventory count with just a few quick adjustments. No coding required. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin page. This is your main control panel where all the magic happens behind the scenes. Once you're there, look to the sidebar and click Online Store. This is where you manage your site's theme, layouts, and basically how things look to your customers. Next up, you'll see a button called Customize. Go ahead and click that. This opens up Shopify's theme editor. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. It's a really intuitive drag and drop tool that lets you adjust pretty much anything about your storefront visually, without touching a line of code. Now, along the very top of the editor, you'll see it likely defaults to your homepage view. But since we want to edit what your customers see on product pages, click that drop down at the top, select Products, and then choose Default Product. This ensures you're editing the template that applies to all the products in your store, unless you've set up custom templates for particular items. Take a look over to the left side. This is your list of sections you can edit for this template. Scroll until you find the Product Information section. This is an important area, since it controls what your shoppers see about any given item, like the title, price, description, and other details. What we're going to do next is add a new block to this section. You'll see a button that says Add Block. Click that, and you'll see a list of options for what you can include. Now, you might be tempted to choose something else here, but specifically, look for the option labeled Inventory Status. This is what will display the quantity you have left in stock. Select that item. It's usually found a little way down the list, and it'll be added to your product information. I recommend placing this block right below your product title. Why? Well, it means your customers see that important inventory info as soon as they land on the product page. No squinting or scrolling needed. You can usually just drag and drop the block if you want to move it around, so don't worry if it's not in quite the spot you want it first. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and hit Save Up in the top right corner. It might take a moment for the changes to process, so if you see a little spinner, don't panic. Shopify is just working in the background to lock in your update, but let's make sure everything looks good before you head off. At the very top left of the editor, you'll see 3 little dots. Click on those and choose View. This will open up a live preview of your product page exactly as your customers would see it. Take a look and make sure that your inventory quantity is displaying just where you want it. If you don't see it, double-check which product template you edited, or refresh the page for base. Sometimes previews take a few seconds to catch up, and that's it. You now have a product page that clearly shows your inventory to shoppers, helping to boost their confidence and maybe even trigger a little urgency whenever stock is low. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want more tips on customizing your Shopify store, just drop a comment below. I always read and reply. Don't forget to subscribe too so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.